Tidal Energy, the world's most reliable energy source. Twice a day, and every day since the world began, the oceans produce powerful water currents and tidal movements that are so reliable they can be predicted years in advance. For centuries, mankind has sought to exploit this massive source of potential energy. In Roman times and the Middle Ages, mill wheels driven by flowing water were used extensively for grinding wheat into flour. Until recently, there has been little development in our ability to harness this huge resource of power. Today, the wonders of modern technology have allowed us to extract this huge potential of raw energy for the production of electricity without harming the environment. So why the focus on tidal energy? The world has an increasing insatiable appetite for power. Global warming is compelling us to move away from fossil fuel and other high-risk fuels to clean, green, renewable sources. What are the advantages of tidal energy? It's renewable and sustainable. Seawater is 832 times denser than air, which means an 8-knot tidal current has more energy than a 380 km/h wind. Once a turbine is installed, tidal energy is free. No expensive fuel is required. It has a very low maintenance cost. Tides are predictable many years in advance. There is no impact on the visual amenity as tidal turbine is underwater. It is the most energy dense of any renewable energy source. It produces energy for the lowest cost. According to international environmental expert Dr. David Suzuki, tidal energy has one of the smallest footprints of any renewable energy resource. Experts estimate there is over a staggering 59 terawatts of power available through tidal energy in the United Kingdom alone that remains unutilised. What makes tidal energy different to its competitors? Whilst most companies have been working on new versions of the mill wheel or windmill technology, Tidal Energy took a different approach, working on turbines mounted in shrouds, also known as venturis, to increase turbine efficiency. In doing this, Tidal Energy has developed a unique system called the Davidson Hill Venturi turbine that is able to generate electricity from almost any form of moving water. The Davidson Hill Venturi turbine established a world benchmark in 2003 for the highest efficiency ever produced from a water turbine. The unique Davidson Hill turbine achieves the marine equivalent of breaking the sound barrier. Griffith University in Australia and industry experts have independently tested the Davidson Hill Venturi turbine, declaring it the most efficient water turbine technology ever. They also proved the scalability of the design, allowing Tidal Energy to develop a range of Venturi turbines in sizes from 2.25 metres squared to 100 metres squared, capable of generating power from a few kilowatts to megawatts. The Davidson Hill Venturi turbines can be scaled or arrayed to suit almost any need, from remote settlements to small cities. The electricity produced can be fed directly into the grid or used to offset the cost of existing power generation. It has taken 10 years of intensive research and development, but Tidal Energy Proprietary Limited continues to maintain an industry lead in the development of the most powerful tool for generating electricity from moving water anywhere in the world today. Welcome to the future. Tidal Energy and the Davidson Hill Venturi turbine.